In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Gumroad. If you're finished using your Gumroad account and want to sign out safely, this is a very quick process. Logging out is especially useful if you're on a shared computer, using a public device, or simply want to switch to a different account. The good news is that Gumroad makes this easy, and it only takes a couple of clicks. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Gumroad account and on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for your profile icon or profile menu. This is where account-related options are usually stored, including settings, account access, and the sign out option. Go ahead and click on your profile. When you do this, a drop-down menu should appear. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you click directly on the profile area and give it a moment to open. This menu is where Gumroad places the option to log out of your session. Next, in that drop-down menu, click on Logout. As soon as you select it, Gumroad will sign you out of your account. After that, you'll typically be taken away from your dashboard and returned to a page where you can log back in if needed. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Gumroad. A quick tip before you go. If you're using your own private computer, logging out isn't always necessary every single time, but it's still a good habit if you want to keep your account secure. On shared devices though, it's definitely recommended. That helps prevent anyone else from accessing your products, sales information, or account settings after you leave. Also, if you click your profile and don't immediately notice the logout option, take a second to scan the full drop-down menu carefully. Depending on screen size or browser zoom, the menu may look slightly different, but the logout option should still be there. So, to recap in a simple way, open your profile menu, then click Logout. That's all you need to do to sign out of Gumroad quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate Gumroad a little more confidently.